everybody, my name is Tiberius, Gaming with Tiberius, and now we are going to be playing the Dawn of Flood, yeah? So, you might be wondering, why am I putting it in creator mode? That's because, YouTube, that's because that it would be more easier if I did that, because it requires to start the effects and it requires points. But to get those points, it's going to take a long time, like 5 days or such. I don't have that much time. So instead, don't mind that. That's just one of the other mods that I added. You can see that I added a lot of mods. But okay, here. This is what I want. Addition device. So it starts at 2,000 points. 3, 2, 1, go. I said, 3,000. Yeah, you can see. Okay, I'm just going to float over here, and we can start our survival world. First, I have to delete this. Now we can start it. First, objective. One away. Now, it will slowly grow points, and the more points it has, the more powerful it's going to get. That's going to be a trouble. So let's mine some oak logs. And get our world started. I actually thought it would be a lot more tougher just to get normal crafting material because, you know, the aliens are hunting us every second. Certain sins. Oh yeah, this is one of the mods that I added. This will hopefully help us, even though it has everything, because we spawn in creator mode. But whatever. Let's go. Oh yeah, first. Oh, doors. All I want. I feel really dumb for doing this. All I want is stone, even though I could just make a mine. Well, it's too dark down here. I don't think I don't think I got it back, the door. I don't really care. Ooh, that is Affection Part 1. Let's stay away from it. The tadpoles. That will slowly grow into what we're going to know for a long time, hopefully, as the Dawn of Flood. Pretty much the Affection from Halo. You seen it? Okay, good. Pause this video if you haven't seen Halo. Go just play the full game. Okay, good, you're back. Now let's actually play it. Now you have caught up with everything. Just delete that last part. I don't know what it is. I actually never walks Halo. Wait, is it a show or is it a game? Anyways, so we need to go prepare faster. All of every single brain cell is working on this. 9. Well, 10. Good enough. Actually, that's better. Furnace. Now let's go find a good space. Oh great, the infection is already spreading. How do I know that? Because the particles. The particles means they're affected. Get away from me. Oh yeah, I forgot. I also downloaded Better Combat. Now while I'm fighting, I will just die. I look cool dying. This is who you clicked on. This is who you're gonna get. A person dying 2,000 times. Let's go. I also want to try doing a hardcore world again. See the description of the other one, it said I kind of died in it right after the recording. I do have another recording of me trying to do some more. I would like to spare you it from how terrible I am in it. So let's go. Mushrooms. Wait a second. You can't eat mushrooms? But that's useless. Sweet berries! I love sweet berries. That's because in another game, that's my only food source. That's why I love it so much. Because it's just better fruit. I mean plants. There is no such thing as fruit in Minecraft. Actually, there is. No, beetroot is a veggie. Yeah, I need to play Minecraft more. Anyways. I want to make a good base. Hopefully, I actually know how to read coordinates. Because I was making a joke last time that I can't actually read coordinates. And then I realized, oh, I can't actually read coordinates. Well, that was in the hardcore world that I would not like to talk about. Now, if you have any tips for me to do how to, fight off the infection better, please tell me it. If you don't, I'd probably be dead by day 2. And when I mean day 2, I mean video 2. So please, help me. Just mining down some trees. Also, I'm very dumb because I accidentally did something that I was not supposed to do. Look, this looks terrible. That means it's good. More terrible is the less suspiciousness that I'll get from the aliens. Which means I'll survive, hopefully for more than one day. Furnace. No, oh, I have a door. Okay, good. Ow, oh, ow, ah. You can't be serious. Yay! Now I have to find my way back home to beat the pod thingy. What was it called? A pod effector. And yeah. I think I know why people don't let it just happen first thing in the world, because they definitely need to prepare. I don't even think guns are going to save me from this. Thankfully, tadpoles can't do anything. But the pod effectors, yeah, that's a whole different story. I think I was over there. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. If it turns night, I'm going to end this video right there, so I can find my base again. Yeah, I'm going to end my video right here. Bye.